Hi everyone, good morning. This is a very simple lesson which is interesting as well. We are studying chapter 10 of Science 1, Space Missions, and in it we are learning about artificial satellites and types of artificial satellites. So, number one question, आपको समझ आया what is the natural satellite that we have for Earth? There's only one natural satellite that we have for Earth, that is an object that is revolving around us very naturally, right? Naturally घूम रहा है Earth के around, and that is nothing but moon, हमारा चांद, right? So moon is a natural satellite, whereas there are some objects that we have inserted in the space around Earth to do some task for us. एंड दोज मैन मेड, हमने बनाए हुए सैटेलाइट्स जो अर्थ के अराउंड घूम रहे हैं, उनको हम आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट्स बोलेंगे. So let's learn about artificial satellites in this particular video. Whatever are the notes that you can see on the screen, you need to write it down in your notebook. Okay, this is the only thing that I expect from you. जो भी आपको दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पे वो आप बुक पे लिखोगे. Okay, let's do this.
Many artificial satellites have been launched in space, due to which the world has become a global village. Today, we can contact a person in any part of the world within a second. The information about worldwide events can be gathered sitting at home. Internet is of very much importance in today's world. Due to internet, every information is available at our fingertips. It has become possible to get advance alerts about natural calamities and take proper precautions. During war, it is possible to get information about the actions of the enemy through aerial surveillance using satellites. It is also possible to explore the fossil reserves and minerals in the earth. Thus, there are unlimited applications of space missions. Today, space technology is an inevitable part of the development of a nation. Is an inevitable part of the development.
Yeah, we all do know this, that we use satellites for telecommunication, for internet purposes, to see the lands कि जमीन कौन सी अच्छी है, कौन सी बुरी है, कौन से इस पे खेती की जा सकती है, in that particular land what kind of crops would be grown better. So through the satellites we can really zoom into our earth and can do many things. We can predict weather, right? हमें पता है जनवरी में कौन सा कैसा मौसम रहने वाला है, just because of satellite. So satellites can do things for us this way. Okay, we can see where's the water, where there's no water present. Okay, so this is about applications of satellites. You can think of other space missions that we send to some other planets at this particular time. Okay, and I'll tell you one interesting fact about it later.
The nation. Come, let us now know about artificial satellites. Artificial satellite. In our earlier grades, we have learnt about natural satellites. An astronomical object orbiting the Earth or any other planet is called a natural satellite. The Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. Some other planets in the solar system have more than one natural satellite. Similarly, if a man-made object revolves around the Earth or any other planet in a fixed orbit, it is called an artificial satellite. The first artificial satellite, Sputnik, was sent to space by Soviet Union in 1957.
Yeah, are you getting the concept? जैसे moon is revolving around Earth in a same orbit and moving with the centripetal force acting on the Earth, in a very similar way, there's artificial satellite Sputnik स्पुतनिक उसका नाम था, and it was sent by Soviet Russia. So after in I guess 1940s to 1970s, इस टाइम में रशिया होने से पहले सोवियत रशिया था. So सोवियत रशिया के गवर्नमेंट ने स्पुतनिक नाम का आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट बनाया था, which pictures are shown over here. Very interesting part in the mankind, in the history of mankind, that we were able to send something out to the earth, to the space, and it was revolving around earth. Okay, so it was kind of a breakthrough for us.
Today, more than 1,000 satellites are orbiting the Earth.
Such a beautiful picture.
Satellites work on solar energy. So, solar photovoltaic panels are attached on both sides of these satellites like wings. Instruments are installed in the satellites to receive the signals from the Earth as well as to transmit signals to the Earth. Satellites have various other types of instruments depending on their functions. One such satellite is shown here. Signals transmitted from the Earth to the satellite and from the satellite to a mobile tower and mobile phone are also shown. These satellites are sent into space to perform various functions. Depending on their functions, satellites are classified into different categories such as INSAT, that is Indian National Satellite.
So depending on वो सैटेलाइट किसके लिए हम छोड़ रहे हैं अर्थ के बाहर, किस पर्पस के लिए हम छोड़ रहे हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग सैटेलाइट्स के टाइप बनते हैं. सो आफ्टर ये सारे टाइप्स हो जाए, आप ये बुक में लिखोगे आफ्टर सम टाइम. ओके, आई विल टेल यू व्हेन. ओके, जस्ट नाउ अभी बस समझ लो व्हिच टाइप्स देयर आर. INSAT is nothing but Indian National Satellite. SAT is for satellite, है ना. इधर जो SAT है वो हमेशा सैटेलाइट के लिए यूज हो रहा है, SAT, and IN is for Indian National Satellite. Okay, all the short forms are like this only. Let's learn more.
GSAT, that is Geosynchronous Satellite. IRNSS, that is Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. IRS, that is Indian Remote Sensing Satellite. GSLV, that is Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. And PSLV, that is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Let us now study about some types of satellites and their functions, as well as the names of their Indian satellite series and their launch vehicles. The weather satellite.
So the core of this is हर satellite का कुछ function है, right? There's a function of every satellite. किसके लिए वो space में छोड़ा जा रहा है, किस व्हीकल से वो छोड़ा जा रहा है. आपने देखा होगा कि एक बड़ा सा रॉकेट आता है और वो छोड़ देता है सैटेलाइट को उसके ऑर्बिट में. तो वो जो बड़ा सा रॉकेट है उसको लॉन्चिंग व्हीकल बोलते हैं. यू कैन राइट दिस डाउन इनटू योर नोटबुक राइट नाउ. इट इज नथिंग बट लॉन्चिंग व्हीकल्स. सो लॉन्चिंग व्हीकल्स कौन से हैं वो भी हमें इधर बताया जाएगा. सो किस पर्पस के लिए यूज करते हैं, विच लॉन्चिंग व्हीकल इज यूज्ड टू सेंड इट आउट इन द स्पेस, राइट, बाहर भेजने के लिए, एंड which category of satellite it is. Okay, तो ये तीन चीजें हमें अभी लिखनी है. Okay, so let's think about weather satellites. Weather satellites of course studies and gives predictions for weather, right? हमें पता चलता है न्यूयॉर्क में आज बारिश होगी इंडिया में बैठ के. कैसे? Through satellites. Okay, so let's study about this.
Studies and gives predictions of the weather. The Indian satellite series INSAT and GSAT are used for weather satellites, and the launcher used for them is GSLV.
Guys, write this down in your notebook. Weather satellites series that is used is INSAT and GSAT, and vehicle, launching vehicle जिससे वो स्पेस में छोड़ा जाता है, is nothing but GSLV, Geosynchronous Launching Vehicle. Okay, so ये तीन part हमें लिखने हैं. This is the weather satellite. These are the types of the weather satellites there are, and third is the launching vehicle. ये ना match the pairs, fill in the blanks. इसमें बहुत common questions आते हैं इस topic पे. Okay, so write this down into your notebook for weather satellite. Feel free to pause anywhere you want.
The communication satellites establish communication between different locations in the world through the use of specific waves. INSAT and GSAT series satellites are used for this purpose and are launched by GSLV. Telecasting of television programs is done with the help of broadcast satellites. Broadcast satellites are of the INSAT and GSAT series and are launched by GSLV.
Guys, write this down. Broadcast satellite types are INSAT and GSAT. Launch vehicle is GSLV. This table is also available in your textbook.
The function of navigational satellite is to fix the location of any place on the surface of the Earth in terms of its very precise latitude and longitude. Navigational satellites are of the IRNSS series and are launched by PSLV.
Yeah, navigation satellites, Google Maps, हमने सारे use करते हैं. कहाँ कुछ locations है, right? So this is the PSLV, is the launching vehicle that is used for that, and IRSS is the system. Okay, let's see it again.
Navigational satellites are of the IRNSS series and are launched by PSLV. The military satellite is used. The Earth observation satellite is used for the study of forests, deserts, oceans, polar ice on the surface of the Earth, as well as for exploration and management of natural resources. This satellite is also used for observation and guidance in case of natural calamities like floods and earthquakes. This satellite comes under the series IRS and is launched by PSLV. Now that we have studied the different types of satellites and their functions, we shall proceed further to learn about the orbits of artificial satellites.
Students, we will study orbits of artificial satellites in the next video. Okay, make sure you have the notes that I asked you to make, and that's it. I'll see you in the next video.